So I've been talking about the bad mirror boy Martan, identical triplet to Jake and Nathan, three angelic boys, and each of them has a mirror demon because demons like to mimic angels. That's how they, that's how they operate. Demons mimic angels, and it allows them to do their bad things that demons like to do. Unrestrained energy, no discipline, no self-restraint, no self-control. Demons just do what they want. And that's what we're talking about. Demons. So, angels and their mirror demons are the demons that imitate them. So basically their mirror image, you might say. So right now it's impossible to know I'm just looking at this latest blog on what's happening in Hurricane Land, the Atlantic. I'm looking at the Atlantic. The next named storm will be Humberto, then Imelda, then Jerry. I was talking about Jerry being the clown that's the killer clown. A couple of days ago I was talking about Jerry being the killer clown, but now I've realized it's not Jerry. It's Imelda. Imelda is going to be the destroyer, like Dorian. Hopefully not as bad as Dorian. But there are three mirror demons. Dorian, Imelda, and Lorenzo. So, I've been talking about the reflection in the mirror. Martan looks in the mirror and he sees the evil boy, the demon, the boy who imitates him but is not him. Jake looks in the mirror and he sees his mirror demon, and so does Nathan. Martan, Jake and Nathan and their three mirror demons. 3 angels and 3 demons. 6 in total. Interesting, because Martan was born on September 6th. The 6th of the 9th. Steamboat Geyser. It last erupted 7 days, 18 hours, 1 minute ago. Brat Lorenzo is 146. He's the 3rd demon. Lorenzo is Martan's demon. Dorian was Nathan's demon. Imelda is Jake's demon. Reflected, if you will. Jake is 27. The last eruption of Steamboat Geyser was at 2:34 a.m. 2:34 in the morning on September 3. The 3rd of September 2019 at 2:34 a.m. It came after an interval of 6 days, 15 hours, 47 minutes. The next eruption is coming on Thursday. We can catch up this Thursday at 1 p.m, said Martan. Well, this Thursday is the 12th of September. The time is going to be 37 minutes past 9 o'clock in the morning. The time in Canberra will be 1:37 a.m. on Friday the 13th. This coming Friday is Friday the 13th. Tuesday. I realized a couple of things. If we go back to the first eruption in the current active phase, it was on Thursday, 15th of March 2018 at 5:21. It came after an interval of 3 years, 193 days, 6 hours and 38 minutes. 3 years after the 3rd of September. Wow. September 3, 2014. You see, 3/13, Friday the 13th, and the triplet sign of Martan on Friday the 13th is coming. There was a reflection going back to the year he was born, 2002, a reflective date Friday 26th of April, and Friday the 13th of September. Bad mirror boy equals 140. 13 times 2 is 26. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. This eruption here was at 8:08. Jacob is 31. He looks in the mirror and he sees a bad brat. Bad is 7, brat is 41. His mirror demon. Jake was abducted and murdered. So it kind of gives you an idea. Daniel, the evil twin in Red Rain by R.L. Stine. Jake's killer was Daniel. It was his name. So Daniel's demon killed Jake in this world. October 22nd, the 14th anniversary of Jake's murder. 26 is the value of God. 2 16s are 32. 1978, Jake was born in 78. My birthday, 27th of April. Gabriel is 54. Reflections. The beginning of the current active phase. It began on a Thursday. We can catch up this Thursday at 1 p.m. Those were Martan's words. But they were not Martan's words. See, demons imitate. They imitate. They are the mirror image. It's not 1 p.m. on Thursday. It's 1:37 a.m. on Friday. That's the time of the reflection. It's a reflection in the mirror. So Martan looks in the mirror and he sees his bad mirror boy reflected. I am Selwynne, sexy Martan, the bad triplet mirror sign of triplets. Bulb is 37, Mountain Daylight Time, MDT, equals 37. It will be 9:37 a.m. in Wyoming, Mountain Daylight Time. Thursday, 12th of September, 2019. 12, the age of the twins, Daniel and Samuel in Red Rain. Red Rain equals 69, reflecting Martan's birthday. 1 week after Martan's birthday, Friday, 13th of September, the reflection of not just one bad mirror boy, but 3. The identical triplets, Dorian, Imelda, and Lorenzo, are the identical triplets. Imelda is a boy dressed as a girl, which is reflecting Jake. Jake liked to play pranks, as did Nathan, as does Martan. They are very similar. Their mirror demons are the same. So even the demons are not unlikable because they mimic the angels. It makes it difficult. That's why this world is difficult to negotiate. Who do you trust? 7 days, 18 hours, 7 minutes. 7:18:7. Steamboat Geyser. Its last eruption was 7 days, 18 hours, and 7 minutes ago. I noticed something else. Narcissus. Narcissus. There's a little report here on Narcissus, which you don't see very often. But there's a couple of little reports. One from 26 minutes past 2, and one from 52 minutes past 11. Devil is 52, God is 26. Narcissus. Next to Old Faithful, and Little Cub and the Lion. Jacob is 31. The name Jacob. And Jake's life path number is 8. West Triplet. A little report here from 1350, 150. Interesting names that they give to the geysers of Wyoming. and helpful. Oracles. Hot water erupting out of the ground. The timing is everything when it comes to oracles and messages, reflections. It's all very interesting. Weather. Wetter, wetterling, duckling. So this is the latest map of Australia, September 11, 2019. September 11 is roughly the peak of Atlantic hurricane season. We've got a big, strong, high pressure over us in Australia right now. So what's happening in the Atlantic? Well, there's 3 areas, 3 yellow crayon areas in the Atlantic to watch on September 10. And it is September 10 in the USA. So is one of these going to be Humberto? Is one of them going to be Imelda? I guess one will be Imelda. But which one? Gabriel is gone. Which one is going to be Imelda? Don't know. Hey, the time froze it. That's weird. Exactly 11:50. Snake is 50. Nathan equals 50. Nathan, the original form of Nathan. Snake, 50. Nathan. And dead is 14. Dead. Or DJ. DJ is 14. Where's the DJ? He's in Singapore. Another thing that happens with angels. So demons imitate angels. Okay. They also sometimes kidnap angels and torture them. There's an angel in jail in Singapore who has been tortured. His name is Yiming Yuan. And he's connected to Jake and Nathan as well. And this is where the demons get their power. See, angels sometimes will discipline demons. But demons torture angels. And there's a big difference. Angels don't want to hurt. They want to help. They want to lift. Demons want to push down. They want to dominate and control. And so they torture. Daniel is 45. I told you that Daniel's demon murdered Jake. It's true. Daniel, the evil twin in Red Rain by R.L. Stein, the twin of Samuel. It's 45 minutes past 10. Wednesday, 11th of September 2019. Time. What is the time? Depends where you are. It's 12:46 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. 16 hours ahead of Wyoming. Where you will find the oracle. The oracle being the Steamboat Geyser. The oracle of Jake, Nathan and Martan. Jackson is in Wyoming. It's not far from Steamboat Geyser. Jackson is the closest, I guess. Yeah, I didn't even mean to press that. But that shows you all the time zones, and it shows you where we're talking about in relation to the entire world. That's where Steamboat Geyser is. It's a big world, hey. And there's Jackson. So, I did a calculation. The last eruption of Steamboat Geyser was at 2:34 a.m. on Tuesday, the 3rd of September 2019. And the next one is coming on Thursday, the 9th of September, the 12th of September, at 9:37 a.m. 9:37 in the morning. So I ran that calculation. And the interval is 973. 9 days, 7 hours, 3 minutes. Or 223 hours and 3 minutes. Or 13,383 minutes. However you want to look at it. It's kind of weird because beautiful is 97 and 3 triplets. 3 beautiful daffodils, the identical triplets, Dorian, Imelda and Lorenzo. 2019 is the year of Trinity. Imelda is a girl. She's actually the brother of... So it's like Jake playing a prank, but it's not Jake. It's his demon. His mirror demon. The demon that imitates Jake. So he's very similar to Jake. So you're going to see Jake reflected like an evil version of Jake. I guess you'd say. The evil snake. There's Jake the good snake and there's Jake the evil snake. No, it's a demon imitating Jake. It's not Jake. Like I was saying when I was talking about Gabriel. It's not Gabriel. You know what I mean. It's a demon that's imitating. So I was on the right track, but I didn't quite have it quite worked out yet. Phoenix. Nathan is a boy of the Phoenix. 7:49 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so they don't have daylight saving in Arizona. Bad boy is 49. Actually, if we go back to Wyoming, 8 as a word has a value of 49. And it is 8:49 in Wyoming. So, beautiful 3, the beautiful 3, or the 3 hurricanes. Hurricane equals 97. Beautiful equals 97. 3 beautiful angels looking in the mirror and seeing the evil demons that are imitating them. So how do they deal with them? Well, Imelda means all-consuming battle. That's the meaning of Imelda. Or it means warrior. Has the same value as William. The same meaning as William, I should say. Imelda is 44. So it's a reflection. And I guess at 1:37 a.m. this coming Friday the 13th, Martan is going to look in the mirror and he's going to see his evil demon reflected back at him. Except it's not him. It's a mirror demon. A bad mirror boy. That's what it is. And that's what demons do. They imitate. Like the authorities in Singapore, pretending to be angels, but they're torturing an angel named Yimin Yuan. So it's not hard to see who the angel is and who the demon is in that situation. Who the demons are and who the angel is. Because angels do not torture. They may discipline, but they don't torture. And there's a big difference. And people who don't know the difference are demons. Simple. That's how you can tell the difference between an angel and a demon. Angels may discipline, but they don't torture. Not mentally, not physically, not emotionally. Angels don't torture. They nurture, they look after, they help, they are helpers. Angels are helpers. Angelic is 51, demon is 51. Demons imitate angels. So, come Thursday, 9:37 a.m., the triplets will be reflected. 3 angels and their reflected demons. The demons that are imitating them. As demons do. As they always have. It's their way of gaining trust of people who then become their victims. Like the DJ in Singapore. Trusting authorities is not always wise. Thinking that authorities have your best interests at heart, not always wise. In fact, it often is not wise. Cain equals 23. Category 5 caning, the hurricane, was Dorian. He has 2 brothers. Imelda is a boy, and so is Lorenzo.